Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create a column in Tekla structures with this example. In this PDF, I have explained step-by-step process. I provided a step-by-step process in this PDF. If you need this PDF, please join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide my email address in the description. Please send to my email address. I will provide this PDF directly to your mail. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures with Indian environment. Select the environment India, steel detailing, educational, then click on OK. Click on New and select the model name, Tekla structure, Tekla for beginners tutorial 6, then click on Create. This is a tutorial 6, so we're going to name it as a tutorial 6. Once you get this pop, then click on S. Okay, in our example, we have this column with ISMB 300 and column height is the 6000. So we're going to create this column. So click on steel and select this column and zoom it and click on here to place the column. Right click on interrupt. You can see now we have column ISMB 300. So double click on this column. Use the shortcut control for solid view. Then double click on this column to open the column property window. By default we have ISMB 400, but in our example we have ISMB 300. So click on here this three dot to open profile catalog. Now we're going to select the size ISMB 300, then click on apply. OK. Now click on modify to see the result here. You can see size will be reduced, then click on modify. You can see now this column size should be ISMB 300. Now in our example we have column height is the 6000, so we need to enter here 6000. Bottom level is 0 and top level is the 6000. Now click on modify to see the result here. You can see, click on modify. You can see now column height should be 6000 and column size is the ISMB 300. This is the material. IS2060 is the material grade. If you are according to your design information, you can select the material grade from this list. You can see steel. These are the type of grades are available in Indian standards, so we need to select according to design information. Now coming to numbering, I will explain about this numbering in the future tutorial. Currently we are going to see only the profile, and you can rotate also this column. For example, if you want to rotate in 90 degrees, then you need to enter here under rotation 90 degrees, then click on modify to see the result. You can see like this. Now in our second example, you can see we have pipe profile, pipe 300 by 8 thickness. The pipe diameter is the outer die is the 300 and thickness is the 8 thickness, and height of this column is the 5000. So we're going to create the second column. So click on this column and click on here to place the column. By default you will get the previous column property, so we're going to change this column. So double click on it and click on here. You can by default directly you can load from here pipe column also property. You can see by default you get the column and pipe 200 by 10 thickness like this. So click on modify to see the result. First initially you will get like this. Okay, now you can see that by default we have the diameter of this pipe is the 200 by 10 thick, but in our example we have 300 by 8 thick. So click on here profile catalog and here enter 300 and thickness is the 8 thick, then click on apply. Okay, now click on modify to see the result here. You can see now this pipe should be 300 by 8 thick. Now coming to the column height is the 5000, but bottom level should be 0, so enter here 0. Now click on modify to see the result. You can see now this column pipe should be 300 by 8 thick and column height is the 5000. If you wanted to change the color difference, to click on here class, you can select the class of this model like this. This is the column I section profile and this is the pipe profile like this. Okay, that's it about how to create. Okay, that's it about how to create columns in Tekla structures with these two examples. If you need this PDF example, please join my channel and please subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you.